Whoa. Keep your eyes up there. Ah! Okay, maybe you can't help it. Hold on. So I have this little thing here. I'm gonna put this clip, you know. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Selena, and today we will be testing out TikTok products, seeing if they're actually worth it. Have you seen TikTok Shop pop off, I guess, this whole year? I feel like it's been very advertised from a lot of creators. A lot of the times the TikTok Shop product is tagged in the post, and I was kind of skeptical for a while. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna buy anything on TikTok. But there were two products that really piqued my interest, and for a while I was like, nah, meh. And then I was like, okay, the more that I see this advertisement, I feel like it's working. There's this one creator, I feel like anything that he has, I will buy. And the products that this creator was advertising, I would see other people advertise it, but I just love the way he did it. His TikTok handle is the Glam Fam. Let me double check. I'm gonna put it right here. The top of his TikTok profile says not Linwood. So I would always remember that part, but I think it is Get Glam Fam. He does a lot of hair products. I think he's a hairstylist, and then he kind of shares content about being a parent. So go check out his page, especially if, you know, TikTok is getting banned anytime soon, January 19th. I don't know. Anyways, let's get down to these two products. They are content creator products, but I think you could use them for anything. Got this wireless lavalier microphone, and you can see that it plugs into your phone, and then it has the microphone with the clip, and then it also came with two fuzzies. The other product we got is this tripod that has the two, are these called circle lights? I can't remember. These two lights attached. The only downfall, which was mentioned in a lot of the advertisements, is that you have to charge these two separately. It only comes with one USB-C port to charge these lights individually. That's the only downside, but we'll get into the other features. First off, I feel like y'all can tell I'm in a different room. This is my guest bedroom. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right now, and you can see why it would be helpful to get these products. I'm just backing up, but I'm gonna show you my room. I'm watching the Lizzie McGuire movie. But this is the setup. I'm talking to you guys, I'm in front of here. I have this tripod. It does not stay. I know it's doing this like right now, but when my phone is in place, it's not very sturdy. I think this would be great to use just for my camera, but when it comes to filming on my phone, it's not very helpful. This ring light, that's what it's called. This ring light I've had since 2020. You can go back to my videos in 2020, but that's when I was trying to upload some stuff and I wasn't as consistent back then. It's just not very sturdy. That was not planned. You can just see that it's just not the most durable, and it is kind of bulky to have these two things. I know it's kind of like, well, why is she buying a second thing? I think I do want to donate or get rid of this ring light. I want to keep this tripod for my camera specifically. I think this product will really help and be more portable and everything in one place. I also have some travel planned in 2025, and I think that'll be helpful just to have a ring light and a tripod all in one. That's my current setup, just so you can see. Lighting might be slightly different, not to jump scare y'all. What I'd like to do is start out with the microphone first. That way we can test the sound quality. Okay, it says 20 meters of accessible reception. There's a sticker in the way, so I can't see the other benefits. I have an iPhone 14. This is also sold for the USB-C if you have an Android, or the newest iPhone 16 that has that USB-C. Like one of those ring boxes that you have your cubic zirconia in. That's what this reminds me of. Okay. There it is. Okay. So we have the USB-C, USB ports or cord, and then it has these, I think they're called cats. So they have this, and it has the clip separately. I'm not doing a very good job, sorry. It has this clip separately. I don't like the way that sounded. Okay, so I have this little thing here. I'm gonna put this clip, you know, Who let me have a camera? And then you just turn it on and then you clip it to yourself. Comes with 2 microphones and then the phone plug-in. Here's the phone plug-in. I mean, I feel like that's very discreet. It's a great size. And you know how some people clip their microphones to like a spatula or a teddy bear to have it to be more portable, or they just hold it like this? That's why I like the clip option. This might be... I might have to plug it in. I don't know why I didn't think that far, but we can review the tripod. Let's see if this just works plugging in. Unfortunately, my audio messed up, so I will be doing a voiceover for a portion of this video. Towards the end, the audio comes back. I was saying how the microphone is very portable and that the charging port is on the side for the phone plug-in, so it kind of is hidden, but just don't forget to look for that. I bought the iPhone option, so the iPhone charger actually charges the phone port. The USB-C ports are in the microphones, so just as a heads up, even though it comes with one USB-C charging cord, you do need another one if you wanted to charge both at the same time or take turns. Use your iPhone charger to charge the iPhone plug-in. Next, we will review the tripod. This is also considered a selfie stick, as a heads up. Remember when selfie sticks were all the rage? I think selfie sticks are still very helpful for getting a different angle for your picture, very portable. I love how portable this is. I think I could take this anywhere, honestly, and my lighting and tripod is all in one. I am 5'2". My current tripod is 5'2", I feel. I like that this tripod is way taller than that, and it can get different angles when I'm filming. The tripod box says it has a telescopic shaft, 360 degrees head rotation, 10 meters effective distance. There is a remote control as well. You can take the ring lights off. It also says there's 2 different light settings, but as you'll see when I'm demonstrating, I feel like there's more than 2 different light settings. They sold themselves short. There's more lighting settings than it says on the box, unless I'm doing something wrong, but I saw different dims and different lightings. It can accommodate different phone sizes, so the clamp that you put your phone in, it can stretch out. It is secure. When I was opening the clamp, it was very tight. Depending on what case you have or which iPhone you have, I think that's very helpful. When I was putting the tripod up and down to adjust the height, it was very sturdy, so it takes a little bit of elbow grease as a heads up to adjust the height of the tripod. You're not doing anything wrong. It feels like you're doing something wrong, but you're not. Keep in mind that it is very durable. As you can see, I'm 5'2". On the right side, that's my tripod that I currently have. The left is the new one, and it's much more taller than me. I am a very happy gal. We do have to add the ring lights, attach them to the tripod. As you can see on the ring light itself, there is a USB-C port to charge it, and then that button is what turns it on, and that's how you adjust the light settings. You hold down that button to turn the light fully off. And you can attach the light individually. You can have one light on if you want. Really customizable that way. It took me a little bit to figure it out, but you do have to open the ring light part to attach the holes. I also like that you can get different angles and form short form content and long form content on this tripod. So you can film vertically, you can film horizontally. Either way, it's definitely helpful because you have that light setting. You have the portability of the tripod, the different heights. I feel so accomplished that I did this. It just makes you feel like you can build anything instead of just only being able to build a bear. You know what I mean? Whoa! Keep your eyes up there. Okay, maybe you can't help it. Hold on. That's a much better angle. Okay. So far, I do not have the tripod lights on. I have my ring light on. So I'm going to turn my ring light off and then I'm going to compare. Well, yeah. Ooh, that's the top light that's on. I like that. Ooh. Now we're gonna go up a shade. I like that. Ooh. Can you see me now? Good. It just keeps going, but I like that there's more than 2 shades. I thought it said 2 shades on the box. All right, turn this off. Now I'm gonna turn the tripod light off, and I have my previous tripod on now. Yeah, I look more washed out in my old ring light. Very nice. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the mirror. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay. I'm not gonna bring you closer because she gets kind of scared. I'm gonna put you guys back. 10 out of 10. I think I have to get used to some of the kinks, like the iPhone clamp. It's very tight. I just have to get used to using that. I love that it's all in one. I think the only thing is that you do have to charge the lights. It just comes with one. That's just something to note. I mean, you can use this to charge the microphone. That's how you can double it up. Let's go ahead and see if the microphone is charged. Okay, it was still red when I went to go get it, but let's go ahead and see. Sorry, that would bother me if I was a viewer, if that door is open. I'm gonna slide the clamp on this one. I'm gonna say a sentence and I'm gonna plug in my microphone, then say a sentence there. Please like, share, subscribe to the Selena Josephina channel. I love you guys. Okay. Is this working? Testing 1, 2. On this microphone, I had to hold down the mic for it to turn green. Is the receiver picking up? Please like, share, subscribe to the Selena Josephina channel, and I love you guys. Please like, share, subscribe to the Selena Josephina channel. I love you guys. Okay, I hope that comparison is good. Can you hear me? I don't know. I really like this feature because I feel like I have a lot of background sounds in my YouTube videos. When I edit, I'm just like, ugh, why did I hold that so close to my phone? And then I realized I really didn't hold things close to my phone. It's just the phone picks up everything, and I really want my microphone to just pick up what I want it to. ASMR stuff when I'm unboxing a MacBook Pro. I'm just kidding. Go check out my MacBook Pro video if you have not seen it yet. I have 2 unboxing videos. I would watch this one first, and then I would watch this one second. Do you notice the sound difference? I'm going to say one more sentence, with and without the microphone. With the microphone, let's see. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Now I'm going to take this microphone out. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. 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 Anyways, y'all, that was kind of all over the place, but if you get that tripod, now you know how to use it, and now you know how to assemble it. I hope y'all have a good rest of your year and that you are having a fun time with your loved ones, whether that's friends, family, people that you care about. I hope you're having a good day and a good week, and whenever this video gets to be uploaded, Happy New Year. Please be safe, stay safe. My dad always told me to call him or let him know when I'm home safe because you just never know who's driving drunk on the roads. Please be careful. I am probably just staying home inside. My husband's mom is coming into town, so we'll probably do maybe like a dinner. But then we don't really stay up past midnight, so with the family. I mean, I might stay up past midnight by myself at home. I don't have to work the next day. I do work next weekend as well, so I don't know. I might just have a relaxing day off because I work the following Saturday. Happy New Year. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and reviewing products with me. I think this is really fun. I'm excited to use this tripod and the microphone. The microphone that I did have before, it did not have the cat part. I don't like saying the other part before the cat, the D-E-A-D word. And I don't know if I'm allowed to say that on here, but I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Okay. Wow, that is, you know, that was sturdy. At this rate, the microphone's gonna be charged.